Hello guys, hello. Later I will speak with you in English. Привет, друзья! Показываю вам древнюю византийскую крепость на острове Корфу, Греция. Right now you can see the Greek Byzantine castle in the island Corfu. Here is a light tower at the top of the rock. Here is my friend Mr. Tim rowing the boat. How are you doing?
This is a Venetian castle.
Venetian? Do you know any history?
Yes, this town was built between 1400 and 1800. The Venetians ruled it for 400 years. And then the British ruled in the 1800s.
Okay.
And I don't know any other history.
Okay. Guys, so if you are curious about this castle, check out in internet. Now it's definitely under protection of UNESCO. Very luxury place. A lot of very expensive ships, yachts, boats behind us. Here is the cross at the top of the rock near the light tower. And we almost approach our super boat. Let me show it to you. Nebula, that is the name of our boat. This one, white. No wind at all. Yes.
A Greek Orthodox church. This building here.
On the down. Yes.
Yeah.
You mean here? This one.
This one with the columns in front.
It's still working.
Yes. Greek Orthodox church.
Греческая православная церковь. Okay, thank you. Guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Give me a like. Write nice comments. Push the bell near the button subscribe. Make it in black color. Thank you. Share with the friends and write me nice comments. Best wishes from Greece, USA, and Ionic Sea. Welcome to our super boat and my super channel.